What's up, everyone? As always, Yevhen is with you, a technician at the local company Appliance Fix Lab, which specializes in repairing and servicing microwaves and hoods in Winnipeg and the surrounding area. It's time to troubleshoot a microwave in the Winnipeg, Meadows West area. Today's video is dedicated to the repair and maintenance of an AHAM verified microwave with a hood function. A reason for the service call: the microwave door doesn't close. During a visual inspection of the door and the microwave, I did not find any mechanical damage. The gauges that should enter the grooves of the lock are not fixed, and when trying to close the door, it opens. In order to conduct a full diagnosis and identify the malfunction, I will need to dismantle the microwave from the furniture. I do this and remove the protective elements of the case. Having gained access to the mechanism responsible for closing, I discovered that 2 of the 5 door sensors have incorrect parameters. I replace them with suitable ones and conduct a preliminary test of the closing mechanism. Success! Everything works. I assemble the microwave and install in the furniture. I conduct a final test in all modes. The microwave is ready for further operation. The door closes and opens. All function work. I advise you to click the subscribe button right now, so as not to miss the next fascinating and informative series of video reviews on the maintenance of appliances in the Canadian city of Winnipeg. You subscribe and like. I'm making new videos on appliance repair and maintenance. Together, we can fix any problem. See you soon. Bye-bye.